Question is, which ServiceNow capability allows you to provide knowledge articles via a conversational messaging interface? Option A, Agent Assist. Option B, Virtual Agent. Option C, Now Messenger. Option D, Connect Agent. Correct answer is option B, Virtual Agent. Next question is, which role can manage multiple knowledge bases? Option A, knowledge underscore base underscore admin. Option B, KB underscore admin. Option C, SN underscore KB underscore admin. Option D, knowledge underscore admin. Correct answer is option D, knowledge underscore admin. Next question is, which statement correctly describes the differences between a client script and a business rule? Option A client script executes before a record is loaded and a business rule executes after a record is loaded. Option B, a client script executes on the server and a business rule executes on the client. Option C, a client script executes on the client and a business rule executes on the server. Option D, a client script executes before a record is loaded and a business rule executes after a record is updated. Correct answer is option C, a client script executes on the client and a business rule executes on the server. Next question is, what are benefits of assigning work tasks to a group rather than to an individual? Choose 4 options. Option A, group members can choose their tasks from My Group Work. Option B, groups can assign tasks to users based on a call schedules. Option C, site support members can pick tasks based on location. Option D, groups can assign tasks to users based on skills. Option E, group members can avoid tasks which are nearing SLA breach. Option F, groups can assign tasks to users based on availability. Correct answer is option B, C, D, and F. Groups can assign tasks to users based on call schedules. Site support members can pick tasks based on location. Groups can assign tasks to users based on skills. And groups can assign tasks to users based on availability. Next question is, what ServiceNow feature allows you to include data from a secondary related table on a report? Option A, SQL. Option B, dot walking. Option C, outer join. Option D, joins. Correct answer is option B, dot walking. Next question, what attributes can you manage using System Properties Basic Configuration UI 16? Choose 5. Option A, Browser tab title. Option B, Module text color. Option C, Preferred browser. Option D, Base theme. Option E, Font style. Option F, Animation style. Option G, Header background color. Option H, Banner image. Correct answer is option A, B, D, and G and H. Browser tab title, module text color, base theme, header background color, and banner image. Next question is, which field or fields is used a unique key during imports? Option A, match fields. Option B, calls fields. Option C, day fields. Option D, sys IDs. Correct answer is calls fields. Next question is, you are asked to create an option in the service catalog which will allow a user to click Get Help and describe the issue they are having. These forms should create incident records which are automatically routed to the service desk. Which method would you use? Option A, create record producer. Option B, create catalog item. Option C, create order guide. Option D, create content item. Correct answer is option B, create catalog item. Next question is, what is the result of the order in which access controls are evaluated? Option A, ensures user has access to the field in a table before considering their access to the table. Option B, ensures user can get to work as quickly as possible. Option C, ensures user has access to the application before evaluating access to a module within the application. Option D, ensures user has access to a table before evaluating access to a field in the table. Correct answer is option A, ensures users have access to the fields in a table before considering their access to the table. Next question is which tool graphically displays an infrastructure view for a configuration item CI and its relationship with other CIs? Option A, Schema Map. Option B, Dependency View. Option C, Dependency Map. Option D, Database View. Correct answer is option B, Dependency View. Next question is what are examples of code tables in the ServiceNow platform? Option A, Configuration, Connect, Chat. Option B, Team, Party, Awards. Option C, User, Task, Incident. Option D, Work, Caller, Time Card. Correct answer is option A, Configuration, Connect, Chat. Next question is which tab on the knowledge base record would you use to identify the sets of users who are able to read articles in that knowledge base? Option A, Access List. Option B, Can Access. Option C, Accessible to. Option D, Can Read. Correct answer is option D, Can Read. Next question is what are the main components of the form design interface? Choose three options. Option A, Field Layout. Option B, Page Header. Option C, Field Navigator. Option D, Field Picker. Option E, Form Layout. Correct answer is option B, C and E. Page Header, Field Navigator and Form Layout. Next question is what is used to determine user access to knowledge bases or a knowledge article? Option A, SN_KB_read, SN_article_read. Option B, Privacy Settings. Option C, Read Access Flag. Option D, User Criteria. Correct answer is option D, User Criteria. Next question is what are the three key tables in an enterprise CMDB? Choose three options. Option A, CMDB. Option B, SN_CMDB_BAK. Option C, CMDB_rel_CI. Option D, SN_CMDB. Option E, CMDB_BAK. Option F, CMDB_CI. Option G, SN_CMDB_CI. Correct answer is option A, C and F. CMDB, CMDB_rel_CI and CMDB_CI. Next question is what is the best practice related to using the default update set for moving customizations between instances? Option A, merge default update sets before moving between instances. Option B, submit default update set to application repository. Option C, you should not use the default update sets for moving between instances. Option D, keep default update set to maximum of 20 records for troubleshooting purposes. Correct answer is option B, submit default update set to application repository. Next question is on what part of the ServiceNow instance would you find the option to impersonate users? Option A, Module. Option B, Content Frame. Option C, Application Navigator. Option D, Banner. Correct answer is option D, Banner. Next question is which application is used primarily to load data into ServiceNow? Option A, Import Hub. Option B, System Import Sets. Option C, Data Import Configuration. Option D, Import Management. Correct answer is option B, System Import Sets. Next question is if a knowledge base has no access detailed specified user, what users are able to read articles in that knowledge base? Option A, ITIL users. Option B, any user with an article's permalink. Option C, any active user. Option D, no users. Option E, user with KB_user role. Correct answer is option C, any active user.